Who is singing on your songs?
I'm singing on my song.
There's no AI?
The chorus is like, let's say, the choir.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, Ganuchi Sarak and welcome to my channel. So that was Credo V Daniels and the band fumbling another live performance in a viral appearance on ENCA, further solidifying accusations that he used AI for his debut album, which was released in April 2026. Now the album itself gained significant traction and even reached the top of Apple's South African charts. The problem started with live performances. Last time his team blamed his horrible live performance on technical issues, saying it was his first major live performance. Credo V Daniels took to social media to nonchalantly say, "Yeah, I missed a note, it happens live, on to the next show." The next show was that horrible viral live performance on ENCA yesterday. That viral performance definitely reinforced accusations that he used AI and that he does not have the capacity to perform what people fell in love with on his album. By the way, his music is said to have been removed on Apple Music. Someone on social media said he didn't declare that he used AI, so they removed his songs and probably want him to re-release them with an AI tag. Another person commented, "AI music will always expose them. Why not just keep on getting the money from streams and leave live performances?" Another person said, "ENCA just wanted to finish off what was left of him." Another person responded, "Credo V should sue ENCA for inviting him to perform." Another person commented, "I've never seen an artist so committed to ruining their own image. At this point, you have to applaud the dedication." That's definitely my chat as well. I mean, if his vocals were AI generated or AI assisted, then he should be glad that he's making money from music at all and not waste people's time with live performances knowing he does not have the vocals for it. Anyway, Credo V Daniels reminded me of Rasta, who once butchered the South African national anthem so badly during a rugby match many months ago.
Oh, highly experienced South African team, but not many of them would have ever experienced their anthem being sung quite like that.